In this segment, meet with your next traffic generator, the affiliate program. An affiliate program is a simple paying method that offers you the opportunity to increase your traffic while earning money on web, especially if your business revolves around selling products. Up to this point, you've built your own website using various website creators such as WordPress.com, Wix.com, or AOL.com. For this affiliate program to work, you need your main website. Even if some affiliate partners offer their own landing page and sales page, the traffic won't be directed to your website, and that defeats the whole purpose of this practice. Did you know that back in the 90s, the founder of a website that popularized the idea of affiliating is none other than Amazon.com? That's right. They attract merchants to post links of products or services they have to sell on Amazon.com for their traffic. But that's not all. These merchants gave a percentage of their profit earned to Amazon.com if someone clicks on the links provided and purchases their products or services from it. Thanks to this idea, multiple affiliate programs emerged. They have their own set of rules and regulations, but the framework is similar. These affiliate partners will earn a share of certain percentages out of the profit earned by you, the merchant, should any purchases be made from their website.